Okay, I may be onto something right here. So, see what it says down there? CPU fan, speed error detected. So, I went into the BIOS here and I set everything to default because I remember a few months ago, and I actually recorded some of this actually. A few months ago, I searched online, I was trying to figure out how to turn the lights off on my fan to see if it would help with my dizziness problems, my imbalance issues. And but that was completely unrelated since basically the fan was Corsair. It's a Corsair fan, and they have their own online software, and then I used that to disable the lights or lower the lights on my computer down there so it wouldn't be as bright. That didn't help anyway with my dizziness, but it didn't help my dizziness anyway. Anyway, but I remember I researched something online that was saying change some settings in the BIOS, and I did that. And I was trying to figure out what is it that I have done a few months ago that's been causing my computer to be slower. I'm thinking it might be related to this right here. CPU fan error. Like maybe I think I disabled something. Anyway, I set everything back to default. So after I set it to default, when it restarts, it goes to this screen. And it says, I'm going to look this up. CPU fan speed error detected. And then I pressed F1, So now I have to figure out, I'm going to look it up here. At Rooster Fighter Anime. Anime is about to come on Saturday nights. And I'll look it up on my phone while the episodes are on. And figure out what I can do with this. Like, as I've been saying, the computer's been, like, lagging and slow. And it's very frustrating and annoying. I can't figure out anything. So, I think it's something to do with this. So, let me see if I can figure this out. If it works, I'll make an updated video about it. I'm thinking this is it, though. Because I changed settings, but I had no clue what I was doing. It's something I found online, and someone said that, you could try this. And I did that, but I never went back and changed the settings back to the original. I don't even know what the default settings were. I can't really remember what I had changed. I just saw like a few things that I said a few seconds ago that I changed. So I didn't record that though. But it showed me what I changed, but I don't really remember what they did. But yeah, this may be the problem. Okay, so I think I did figure it out. So I'm here in the BIOS. And it still wants me to do the setting. So I saw a video saying go to advanced down there, obviously. And I'm going up to monitor. Monitor at the top, I'm pretty sure. Okay, yeah, it is here. I have to go all the way to the bottom. There's more at the bottom. That's what I'm looking for. Q fan configuration. And I'm pretty sure it's a CPU. Now, CPU fan speed lower limit. See, it's at 200 RPM. That should be on ignore. So, put that on ignore. And then I'm going to go exit. Save changes and reset. And see if anything shows up after this. It shouldn't. So, on commercial right now, Dan is about to come on. So, Rooster Fighter just went off. And I will test this later. So, the computer should actually start up this time. So, I reset everything to default. It's still showing this message though. It's still showing that message. I'll check it again. They also have like Q fan control here. But it's weird that I reset it to default and it is showing that there's an issue. Monitor, I want to see if it actually changed. It should. the CPU fan speed, but that's just on NA. And again, I reset everything to default settings. Configuration. Yeah, so that's on ignore now. So now I have to figure out why I'm still getting the message and the computer's not booting up. Let me see. Okay, I'm back in here. So I'm going to unplug my controller just to make sure, and I'll take it out the back too, just to make sure it's not interfering. Make sure it's not interfering with that, because for some reason it won't actually. Exit out. Well, let me try to exit. Actually, there's another option on boot. See where there's fast boot enabled. I looked this up and I could do disable, and there's also, here's a secure boot, which I think this was the reason why I couldn't interesting. See, it's enabled. This is why I couldn't play Battlefield 6. That's interesting. But I'm not gonna mess with that right now. So let me exit. Save changes and reset. Hopefully this works. I can't even get to I'm pressing enter on the keyboard or something. Like, and it goes back here. So now it's just repeatedly going back here. I saw that I could press F8 or F2. Let me see. Boot manager. Did that work? I pressed F8. There you go, I'm in. So hopefully I don't have to do that every single time. I don't think it will. Maybe now that I'm finally in here, it will work. Hold on. So I changed some settings. So later on, I will get back on Demon Slayer, and I'll see if there's lag. I may even, the true test will be on returnment. I go into on returnment and see if there's lag. But the fact that that fan error message pops up again makes me think there's something wrong. So that's what I've been saying for a while now. But I'll test it now. I'll test it out later, you know, ignoring the fan and all that, and I'll see what happens. So, okay. One Piece is about to, Tokyo Revengers just went on. One Piece is about to come on, and I don't care about watching that show, so. Right now it's wrestling at 32 degrees Celsius. Here's something I noticed. Check this out. I'm going to turn the light. If you see down there, the lights are back on. So it did work. These lights are back on because I completely turned them off. So it actually reset the fan lights too. So everything is definitely back to default. Honestly, disabling those lights didn't really help my dizziness anyway. But the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get on, and I'm going to be recording to the computer here. I'm going to, in fact, I can turn on OBS right now. Let me stop my scan here. Yep, disk slows down. Let me get on OBS right now. And I want to see if it goes, yeah, it's going back up. Oh, cool. As expected. it's going back up as expected. I'm curious, so. But I'm going to get on Demon Slayer here and see how it plays. I may even get on Unreal Tournament to see if it's still lagging. If everything's still lagging, then this was a fail. But basically, I just wanted to reset my BIOS. Maybe I'll make a video out of it. You know, resetting the BIOS setting. So that's all I was doing, because I knew that I changed some settings and I didn't change them back to what they were before when I was trying to figure out how to disable the lights on my fan. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do here. Okay. So yeah, I haven't even started the game yet. It kind of does seem faster. I'm telling you, just before I could hardly even scroll through here. I mean, let's see. I don't have high hopes for it, but let's see. Maybe that did work. Maybe I changed something in the BIOS I was not supposed to change, because I forgot to change everything back the way I had it. Well, it's starting up slow here, so that's not good. Well, it always starts up slow, but anyway.
Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba, the Hinokami Chronicles 2.
Test it out, and then after this, the true test will be Unreal Tournament. And I'm going to check my temperatures too.
Is there a problem? My senses are heightened. I will.
It's interesting. Huh. Yeah, it does seem to be some lag there. Let me see. I'll see how it plays. It seems like there is a little. I do think it's better. I do think it's a little better. I do think, you know, again, I won't be able to tell until I get on Unreal Tournament. I think it's a little better. I can't tell.
Bring you down without fail. My dragons can deal with you.
Yeah, I think there's still a little lag. Hold on, this will be a test right here. I want him to knock me down, and I'll try to roll. That's ridiculous. You're ridiculous.
Fool, leave it to me. Let's do our best. Fool.
Yeah, I think there's still a little lag in it. Okay. So I'm gonna exit out. Exit out and get on Unreal Tournament here real quick.
Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no.
Okay, just making sure it starts here. So I'm in Unreal Tournament right now. 63.
The match is starting.
And this game is loud.
3, 2, 1.
lag is still there, so that was a fail. I don't know. Maybe it could be my mouse going bad. I'm not sure, but again, it doesn't explain. Like if I plug in my controller, that's bad as well. So it doesn't matter if it's mouse or the controller. But Unreal Tournament is the true test. And yes, there's lag. But I did reset the settings in the BIOS. Hopefully the computer doesn't go back to that menu, the BIOS menu when I restart it. If it does, I need to figure out how to fix that. I think I can enable the fast boot. It said it was enabled. Hope it doesn't do that again. Anyway, I think that's it for this one. Basically, it's just me resetting my BIOS. Potentially fixing a problem for those who have an issue. But yeah, I mean, it didn't solve my problem. I was basically trying to figure out why my computer has been lagging slower than usual. And again, I changed the settings a few months ago, and I was trying to figure out how to disable the lights on my CPU fan down there. So, and I never put the settings back to default. So, but that's all the video was. Really, just changing settings back to default, and pretty much that's it. So, and then changing the fan setting, I changed that to ignored. But I don't think that really did much for my situation. So that's it. I have nothing more. I'll see you.